Alright, today we're going to be making pancakes. So you're going to need your flour, your eggs, your oil, and water. Alright, those are the major ingredients. Alright, so let's get it. Alright, once everything's mixed, let's get your pan or pancake griddle, and put the temperature at a medium, then have something to grease it with, and then I'm going to add some bananas in it actually pretty soon. So now that the pancakes are going, you're just going to want to wait for them to bubble up, okay? So in the meantime, I'm going to cut up the bananas into the thing. You just cut them up into little chunks. And always give the extra pieces to your siblings. Thank you. So now they're all kind of bubbling. We're just going to flip them like this. You might want to turn the flame down actually to a medium low, because these might have cooked a little bit too fast. Alright, so we're done. If you followed my instructions, you should end up with a lot of pancakes. So, alright, good luck. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below on suggestions for how I can get better at cooking this, or any extra ingredients that you think are good. And also leave a comment on something that you'd like to see me cook, bake, or make. So thank you so much.